train,
train,
pain,
pain,
chair, chair,
chair. This is a short sound or long sound?
long,
Long sound. The next.
brain,
Brain. A and I, long
play.
A, like play.
say,
Say, super.
bay,
This is D. D.
day,
Day.
hey,
Hey. A and magic E, like.
latest,
This is silent. This is E is silent. Late. Late. Long A. حالات long A بالتفصيل. We know short A احنا عارفين ان الصوت القصير لحرف ال A like man, can. لكن الصوت الطويل long A the same name of the letter A هو نفس اسم الحرف A. حالات long A and I, AY, A and magic E. AI like train, pain, chair, brain. طب let's read. هنقرأ بالتفصيل مع بعض. A N train, train. A N pain, pain. C and H ch. A R chair, A R chair. B R A N brain, brain. الحالة التانية long A and Y زي كلمة play, say, day, hey. Let's read. A play, play. A say, say. A day, day. A hey, hey. الحالة الثالثة لحالات long vowel A and magic E like late, game, name, take. Let's read. Late, late, late. Game, game. Name, name. Take, take. دي حالات long sound A, AI, AY, A and magic E. والحالة الرابعة لما الأربع حروف دول بيجوا ورا بعض E, I, G, H. These four letters pronounce A. الأربع حروف دول بنقولهم A زي كلمة eight. Thank you for watching. Follow for more.